Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Page of Cups in reverse, World in reverse, and Queen of Wands. So in your situation, Cancers, it may be in your career situation or relationship. You are someone who is really friendly, honest, and truthful. So with the people around you, you are really kind, compassionate, helping, and understanding person. People come to you for guidance and support, and you are someone really loving and caring. And maybe in this relationship, maybe in this love, you both share a beautiful understanding, great compatibility with each other, and you love this person or they love you for what you are, for your true nature, your honest qualities. So you are someone who is really a very good, kind, and compassionate soul. That is the reason this person loves you. This person honors you, guys, feels really happy to be with you. And maybe for some reason today, in your work situation or in your relationship, guys, you may be seeing some difficult circumstances, some project delays or suspensions, or maybe in this relationship, this person is, they are hiding something. You feel they are not telling you the whole truth. So they have something in their heart they are not revealing to you. So some kind of lack of clarity you see in your situation today, guys, and you don't know which way this relationship will go or what will be the outcome. So though you are a very honest and trustworthy, reliable person, the person you are in relationship with, they are not telling you the truth. Something is in their mind and they are not revealing that to you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We picked one card for your relationship. So it is Hierophant. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are, you want commitment maybe, or you have proposed to this person but they have not given you the answer yet. So that may be the reason we saw some kind of troubles or obstacles in your relationship, guys. So maybe for some of you this proposal may work. This person may accept your proposal and they may want to get married to you, guys. But for some of you, I see this relationship ending, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Death in reverse. So there are some changes happening in your career situation, guys, but you feel stuck, unable to make a proper choice or decision. Something inevitable is happening and you are unable to do anything. Something is holding you back, Cancers. So you need to wait for positive change of events, but that is also happening very soon, guys. Cancers, you need not worry. So that is the reading with these cards, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card here. It says all that glitters. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe in your situation, in your relationship, the circumstance calls for you to see the truth, the genuine truth behind what this person is speaking or what they are showing you, guys. The need to see beyond the superficial. Maybe sometimes we try to impress people and we we act or behave in such a way that is not true to our true nature. So we add more drama and we make ourselves more appealing to the other person. We try to hide behind that sparkle and shine. And also sometimes we fail to see the true nature or the truth in that person when we often go for glitz and glamour, guys, which is so desirable. So we often miss the people who are truly genuine towards us. So it is time to look beyond the surface. That is what this card is about, beyond the mask, to see the essence of that other person and who that person is, not what he or she can give you. That is what is important, guys, the true essence of that person. So only if you connect with that true essence, with that truth, you are going to be able to truly connect with that other person. So you should not think of what this person can do for you. You should see what they are truly. So this is the time for you to see them with your heart. Let go of that artificial shine and sparkle that you see that is visible to you, and go for that authentic shine, what they are truthfully in their heart of hearts. So this may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. Maybe you are trying to hide something about yourself or they are trying to hide something about themselves. So you need to go for truth. That is what this card is about, guys. Genuinity, authenticity, that is the card for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is fair, brown and trembling gifts. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, you need not accept the fate what other people have allotted for you. You need to overcome your shyness and all that you have done, all that you have faced for this person, that humiliation and whatever pain you have endured. It has brought you something today, some positive changes today, and you need not accept what other people think of you, and you need not value the people who do not value you or respect you. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who protect you, who respect you, and who will fight for you and search for you if you are not there. So you need to be with people who are there with you no matter what, and who love you for what you are and respect you genuinely, guys. So that is what this card is about. So who value you the most and who love you the most. And so even within your family or close friend circle, people really envy you. They are jealous of your gifts or the way things are in your situation. And you need to understand that your good fortune or gifts or whatever positive things you possess has been given to you, and it is your gift to enjoy, guys. You need not give away this happiness to someone else, because they may not realize its worth and they may not enjoy the fruits of your rewards, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to be with people who truly respect you and care for you, and you need not listen or respect to people who just see you as someone who can bear everything, who can take all humiliation, and you should not let others to use you. That is what this card is about, guys, and that is the meaning of this card. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.